The stock camera app on the iPhone is great for starters. It has a clean interface, it's easy to use, and it delivers fantastic results. But if you're looking to level up your photography game and want more granular controls, or perhaps some AI features, then you are pretty much out of luck here. However, you can easily remedy that by installing a third-party camera app. Hey everyone, this is Abhijit from Guiding Tech, and today's video is all about the best free camera apps that you should get on your iPhone. So let's get right to it. Let's kick things off with Focus. Yes, that's focus with an O instead of the U. Now this is an app that helps you click some really stunning DSLR quality images that have an almost natural looking shallow depth of field. Now, while you can click images with background blur using the portrait mode on the stock camera app, if you are rocking an iPhone XR, you won't be able to take such shots of objects. Now you won't face that issue with Focus. You can click a picture of just about anything and the app will give you the image with a nice bokeh effect. You can even customize the effect, refocus the image, add lens effects, and adjust the lighting using its vast array of tools. And the best part? Most of it is free. But while Focus is great at clicking images with shallow depth of field, it doesn't offer a one-stop solution for all your photography needs. That's where the next app comes in. Adobe Lightroom CC, yes, the popular photo editing app that doubles up as a camera app with complete manual controls and a bunch of other handy features, is a cool one to have. The free version of the app will give you access to 3 different camera modes, including a fleshed out pro mode where you can tinker around with the white balance, ISO, shutter speed, and exposure to capture the perfect shot. Once you are done clicking a satisfactory photo, you can use Lightroom's vast selection of tools to edit and enhance your shot right on your phone. And since you can capture raw images with the app, the possibilities are nearly endless. Next up, we have Beauty Plus, a camera and an image editing app which offers a bunch of beautification features, something that's also missing in the stock camera app. The app has an auto beautification tool that you can use to click perfect looking selfies every time and a bunch of cool AR filters to jazz things up a bit. If you aren't satisfied with the results, the app even packs in over 30 powerful editing tools that allow you to do everything from removing blemishes to adding volume to your hair. I have to admit, this app isn't for everyone. I mean, most certainly not for me, but if you enjoy clicking the occasional beautified selfie, you can't go wrong with Beauty Plus. Now, if you are more of an adventurer, the next app should be right up your alley. Enlight QuickShot is an amazing camera and editing app which will help you take some stunning action shots. The app makes use of some impressive AI-backed modes that will help you capture movement without requiring you to fiddle with a bunch of different settings. The app features a unique strobe mode that artfully combines strobe lights and long exposure to deliver some amazing action shots. And its quick shot mode automatically takes care of the angle adjustments and image correction. Add to that an impressive bunch of filters and editing tools, and you have yourself a camera app that you should definitely have at hand for your next adventure. Finally, let's round things off with NewScam, another great camera app that packs in a pro mode. Much like Lightroom, the app gives you complete control over the camera settings, letting you click images just like you want them. Along with that, the app has some amazing image editing tools, including a couple of gorgeous presets that can make your photos look surreal. If you don't like any of the presets, the app lets you create your own as well, which not only gives you the freedom to create something beautiful, but also ensures that there's some consistency in the images you edit. Well, those were the apps for today's video. Which one of these do you plan on trying out first? Do let us know in the comments. All of these are almost free with maybe some features that come at in-app purchases. But otherwise, these are great apps to try out. Do take pictures using them and share your clicks with us on Instagram at Guiding Tech. This is Abhijit signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.